Maintenance reminders are there to remind the users to perform basic tasks on their spas, like cleaning the filters or changing the water. To access them, simply click on Program key. Then, scroll down to Maintenance and click on the Select button. There we will see all the different maintenance tasks. To reset a reminder, simply put the cursor over the task and hit the Select button. Then you can either use the back key to return without resetting the reminder, or use the Confirm key to reset the reminder. If we confirm that the task has been performed, the reminder will return to full period before being displayed again. In this example, the full period of the rinse filter reminder is 30 days. Same process is used for all reminders. Second is Clean Filter in Solution reminder. Third one is Change Water, which has a period of 90 days. Last one is Spot Checkup, which is advised to be performed by a certified spa technician every 2 years. To return to the main screen, simply use the back key.